Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the delivery preferences in the Australia Post application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the delivery preferences. And then click on the leave signature parcels in a safe place button. So this feature will leave eligible parcels in a safe place if you're not at home to sign. So in order to enable this function, click on the white circle next to it. And then there will be a short notice on when they will leave parcels that need a signature. So just confirm it. And yes, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.